NIO, the one most awaited competition for Tesla, is giving a bearish vibe for its market and its holder. Well, is it time to sell off all your NIO holdings? Watch till the end to know more. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and having the bell icon on. However, before heading forward, here's a disclaimer line. The content in this video in no manner constitutes financial or investment advice. This video is solely made for information and educational purposes. Therefore, you are requested to conduct your own wide-spectrum research or consult a financial expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. As per analysts, the existing mobile sectors will indeed be converted into a dominating electric vehicle market at least by 2040. Well, this was indeed good news for Tesla. However, considering the current market capitalization of NIO, we are a little not sure. NIO, the Chinese EV manufacturer, has shown a strong demand for its luxury electric SUVs post its launch in 2020. NIO was launched in 2014, and since then, this company has been successful in taking over most of the Chinese EV market. Considering Chinese is the largest emerging market in the world, NIO has been doing pretty well in terms of its marketing tactics and deliveries. This automaker does not manufacture the car on its own. It has partnered with the Jinghua Automobile Group, which is a state-owned auto manufacturer in China for manufacturing the EVs. This automaker crossed a landmark earlier this year, completing 100,000 deliveries, and has been called upon as the rising competition from the Chinese tech to the auto giants, especially Tesla. NIO is one of the youngest automakers who has since given good profits. However, currently, the stock earns an EPS rating of 50 out of 99 and an SMR rating of D on the scale of A+ to a worst at E. NIO's stock did jump over 95%, but has fallen almost 6% in the existing month's time, majorly due to the global chip shortage. According to us, NIO's future market can be classified as certain because it most reveals companies. Tesla has been expanding its routes to NIO's hometown, the Chinese market. Tesla's deliveries in China have seen a sales rebound in June and is expected to make 21,000 EV deliveries in the current second quarter. The Piper Sandler analyst, Alexander Potter, has published a report titled "Electric Vehicles Will Rule the World by 2040." In this report, he predicts that in the following 19 years, the EV market will take the global automotive industry. He further says that for few automakers like Volkswagen, Tesla, this news is nothing less than a blessing, as Volks is predicted to sell about 9.2 million EVs in 2040, and Tesla's is expected to be valued at $1,200. As per his report, NIO, which was expected to capture 11% of the market, is predicted to have less than a 1% share in 2040. Potter says NIP, XPeng, and Li Auto have combined market capitalization of nearly $130, which are expected to sell a total of just 2.1 million electric vehicles as of 2040, summing approximately one-third of the predicted global market sales. To add to Potter's estimation, the automakers to survive the market are trending up even when the market fears the hit of inflation. On the flip side, those companies which Potter said to not yield much is trading down. NIO is down by 3.5%, Li is down by 4.1%, and XPeng shares are off by 7.2%. Considering the current market trend, it is accurate to make the assumption that the recent trend is mainly a correctional measure and the most impacted stocks indicate a lower life expectancy. NIO is yet to expand its route and make higher targets. However, with the entry of its rival Tesla, which has taken away a considerable NIO's market, and on top of which the Chinese market is also responding well to the Volkswagen EVs, NIO might face a hard time in the longer run. So that's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative. If you did so, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your opinion on NIO's survival, and lastly, make sure to turn on the post notifications to always be updated. See you guys in the next one.